How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another live stream. We're gonna be trading 8:30 a.m. It's 8:20 right now. Oh shoot. Okay, let's begin. So, weekly Fair Value Gap that we're tapping off of. Daily, we've come higher. We've traded above and closed above the new week opening gap. So I want to see that act as support. I want to see this act as buy side. Same thing for ES. Looks like some sort of consolidation at the moment, so going to try not to be very stuck on this buy side up here. Hourly, we have that new week opening gap. As I said, we're respecting it. Here, and again here. And also, if we take out if we ignore those SIBI highs and SIBI lows, we don't actually really need them, but ignore these new week opening gap highs as well. Just looking at this chart, gotta somehow wait. Hold on, let me mute my phone. Gotta somehow. Whatever. You know what, actually? Okay, yeah, we can't do it. Alright. We're just gonna try and I'd like to hide it, but it's not working. Go do this. Or not. Hide. Alright, there we go. Okay. So just looking at it like this, we have traveled to equilibrium here, and again here. Actually, we didn't get that, but we have tapped into that for a value gap once, and then again running out sell stops, and then this for value gap here, we made relative equal highs. Also coming into a discount for value gap, and well, I was expecting this to be a run up of this highs here earlier in the morning, but we didn't manage to do that. We did manage to do it on ES though, so I guess that's a good sign. Either way, the sell side draw is already taken out from this swing low here. These were relative equal lows. If you go to the 15-minute, you guys can see the relative equal lows here. We did travel quite a lot overnight, so we could possibly see some sort of consolidation activity. Let's put on those drawings again. There we go. And now take this out. New week opening gap high, we're respecting it, we've tapped into it. I want to see that reject and us come up to this buy side here. Okay. And for yes, we can see we tapped the daily CP low, we're using the daily CP high, we're sort of gravitating inside this area. And we also have this hourly gap, which will be used as a target. Can can delete this. We could draw out this high here, and also we can use this. Okay. So those would be targets, as well as this daily Cibi high. That'll be a target as well. Otherwise, I don't think that we're gonna be going lower unless Trump runs us out again. Fuck's sake. Yeah. So Cesar is already taken. Mark that out. I don't think we need to come even lower from where we are right now. So higher, draw is higher. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Looks like we had some sort of news. Oh, okay. We have no news, but oh wow. Ugh. A whole civilization will die tonight. I don't want that to happen, but probably will. We'll find out tonight. Wow. So not really a shallow run. I really don't expect this to be run out again. If we go to the 2-minute, we have our shifted market structure. We can use this. This is a more significant one. Honestly, I would be fine with entering off of this for Vertigo. And then taking us up to this as a partial, this as a partial, and actually we can use a consequent encroachment as a partial as well. So we can, yeah, there we go. So that is probably the course of action right now. So preferably want to see news bring us lower into that for value gap. We tap that for value gap, and then I want to long off of that. Looks pretty foolproof, I think. New week opening gap is there as well. And let's see, we have 12 a.m. right here. So, okay. I think it was 7, okay. So, all I gotta do is make 300 today. Really? Yeah. Oh. So 321, yeah, okay. like how we're inside this Valley Gap here. It's really good, really nice. Yeah, problem is I don't know if we're just gonna run higher. I've already tapped that for value up here, so that might be a problem. It could still come lower. Let's see what the 830 does here. I'm not gonna trade a pre-market anywhere, so I'm fine with missing this entry. Oh wait. Yeah, I think we. Oh no, we didn't tap it. Never mind. So yeah, okay. Looking for this for value gap still. I'm not sure. Not sure what target I'm looking for though. I prefer to do it on NQ because it's just the more volatile asset, I guess. Forward the discount for a value gap. I think we'll go in with 1 micro. So that would be about 300. Should be about 300. It's $200 risk. Yeah, we'll go in with 3 micros. Oh man, that's not good. I'm gonna have to partial a bit worse. Yeah, 3 micros. That's $400 risk, which is, all I need is 321. Yeah, we'll partial with 2 micros. We use 2. So what was that, 200? Oh my gosh, $300 risk though. Oh man. Am I over leveraging like this? I'm not really over leveraging like this. Oh, one is 123. 2 or 3 micros. It's 370. Yeah, 247 is fine. I'll do that. So, okay. Let's take a look at ES. We actually made the lower low here, so I might do it on ES instead. Yeah, I'll do it on ES instead. Though it does make more sense on NQ. partialing would be a bit easier on ES. Yeah, I've still got that daily busy to help support us. Junior state as well. Though NQ just seems a bit more. Actually, it doesn't really seem a bit more. I think it's fine, honestly. Yeah, ES is about the same as NQ. That's right. At this point. Okay, we'll do on ES. So looking for about 3 micros if it trades above that area here. So use this then. Swing low has been already taken. It's also a 5-minute gap. Just trying to see if I'm should be taking it right now or not. So technically we've already come into the displacement range gap, but this is just in a discount, so that's what I'm looking at right now. So I'm not entering yet. If it trades above this gap, then I'll enter. If not, then well, we'll get the entry lower. So really just paying attention to Nasdaq here. Anyhow, preferably I'd like to see this entry. But if I don't get that, then it's fine. I'm thinking we might use this wick. It's a possibility. So that's why again I'm looking at this 4-minute gap. If I trade above it, then I'll enter long. Could possibly enter 2 here. We're actually inside a 5-minute gap right now. But again, waiting for it to possibly come into that. Actually, wait. I'll actually mark it now because it's a 5-minute gap. I can mark it one more. Okay, so it was the dump when I enter. Okay. Okay. Still giving it the possibility of coming into this gap here. You can still do that. Let's look at yes. Have they figured out there? So right now we're risking 295. Bro. Okay, that was not what I wanted to risk, but okay. Man. Okay, tap that lower for value gap now. Want to see this just push higher now, preferably. Got some sort of a something like 830. Be careful at 930. It's we could still maybe Judas swing these red typical lures. But don't think we will, because well, I've already swept Southside like a bunch of times here, here, and here. There's basically a 3 drive span. And we've got a mod off of this here as well. So hopefully Trump doesn't rape me. Some reason I just have a really bad feeling about this, bro. But stay disciplined and stay in this trade. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So I have this order block here. Might have some sort of reaction to that. Nope. We're deleting that. I'm not using that. Coming for one more resweep, perhaps? I hope that's the case. Shift. Okay. I want to see this push higher now. Okay, so we don't want to respect nothing. Okay. Please just go up. Thanks. That would be really nice. Really nice if I get this win. don't want to respect nothing. I get it. So you want to inverse this fair value gap? Okay. That's really good. So you just want to dump. Okay. Don't know what I'm looking for. Don't think I'm gonna look for this low. Perhaps starting to get some upside action. I get to this level here, it's likely a partial. You know what this also looks like? Consolidation. Man. Oh my god. Okay, okay, I didn't know. I didn't know. Oh. Okay. No, I like it. No, 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 no. It's okay. It's okay. Partial with the. Man, are you joking? Should have set limit order. It's fine. It's fine. Wow, that was an ugly close, bro. Likely want to see this old block be respected. Do not want to see this look get taken out. Risking $89. So if this gets hit, then it's just going to be profit $30 profit, which isn't bad. I don't mind that. But after this trade, I'm probably, I want to say I'm done, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I think the draw is higher. Got the newbie Copenhagen cap high and all of that stuff supporting higher. We've got these relative equal highs. Got these relative equal highs, but yes, it's already taken those, so it's SMT. So the bad thing is we've got these relative equal lows. And we look like we're respecting this gap here. So preferably, don't want to see that get taken out. But I have a feeling it might happen. I have a bad feeling it might happen. What's this? What's this news? 8:55. Anything happen? Nope. Didn't know you wanted to be bullish today, you should have told me. By the way, is Lucy's profit target for 25k 1.25? I think it is, yeah. Let me double check. Are you still here, Thork? Sausage boy? Alright. It is indeed 1,250, yeah. She looks like a really bad book though, I'll say. I hope Trump doesn't say anything. Trump best not say anything. Definitely like the scab the most. I'll trail my stop pretty heavily if we come to this 0.5 area. 4-minute chart looks a bit there. Just to look at. What the fuck? What's going on? How much do I need? I need 321. Okay. 52. So we're at about 370. 370. So, oh wait, we still need a whole lot more. Holy. We need about 200 more. Let's take a look. 200 will be right here. So profit target. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. We'll put it at the what's a more sensitive area. I'd say the midpoint. So we'll just sell on that hit that. And that will be fine. 20 minutes till market open. Don't think I'm gonna move my stop anywhere or anything like that. Don't really like how we kind of accumulate here. And we still have that draw lower, which is here. And we also got that gap and that Sunday gap as well. So, not gonna lie, it's kind of looking a bit double-sided. And now I'm looking at it, we're becoming more bearish. Like, so why was I even bullish? All right, we come into this for about a gap here. But if we were looking at a consolidation sort of view, then these would be the jaws right now. It's kind of a battle between whether the bias is higher or want to come down to these relative equal lows first. I'm kind of leaning towards the relative equal lows right now, which would mean that the trade that I took was invalid, which would mean I would be inversing. Oh my god. Either way, I would lose today. Wow. Even though I won, I lose. Is that what it is? Okay. Okay. Let's full screen this. Yeah, just expecting this to be the fair value gap, right? And then for us to deliver higher off of this discount fair value gap, we have this buy side liquidity pool there. But is this a sell side liquidity pool though? Because if it is, I think we might come lower to the. We're pretty strong. We have the new week opening gap high supporting it as well. We might not even come down to the sell side. But we also got that Sunday gap. So which one is it, Rain? Mm-hmm. This might be it. Make it or break it sort of situation right here. Here's one of the. What's this one actually? Yeah. Expecting this to be a sell side sweep. If we manage to I was going to say, if we manage to get both the swing high, then maybe I can trail my stop down to here. I think I'm getting too attached to the money aspect of it. I'll lose this trade, I'll lose this trade. Terrible fill, bro. It's actually completely break even if it hits that. I thought it would be like about 100. Wow. Fuck, man. If I was more prepared to take a partial, I'd be up like 100 right now. Wait, I'm only... Damn, bro. I'm barely up anything. If you think about it. It's 220 right now. Might decide to manually exit at 9:30. Such a brain fuck, bro. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna try and revisit that Sunday gap. That's the problem. In between PD arrays. Should I just manually exit? Okay. Trilling. Likely don't even want to see it come back down to that swing low. We'll, keep that in mind. So really long wick. Pulled a fair value gap there. Trail to complete break even now. Alright. Nerves have been suppressed. Be about 240. I don't have enough to partial, so we'll just sit out. This isn't a fixed TP, I don't think, because my draw is higher, so it isn't completely fixed. If I see opportunities to trail and it's really close, then I'll move my stop up and try and get as much as I can, squeeze as much as I can out of this. T30 is about to open, probably gonna get stopped here. So, looking like we can probably trail here. Hopefully we just shoot up, honestly. Honestly, what I can hope for. If I want to secure a bit more profit. Yeah, let's see. Beautiful. 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 Okay. 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 So I'm gonna trail a bit more tight here. Bro, don't do this to me. Oh no! Oh, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Oh my god. Are you joking, bro? Oh my god, that pisses me off, bro. The micro hit the. Oh, you motherfucker. Alright, fully out there. Alright, not bad. Not that bad. It's like $120 win. Could have been more. It could have been so much more. But fucking. The micro, bro. That pisses me off so bad, bro. Alright guys, I'm gonna head off. Probably not gonna take any more trades for today. I'm expecting still higher, but since we wicked that midpoint, oh I swear if yes did that. Okay, yes, this is weaker. Alright. Yeah, we wicked that midpoint and then came lower. So I don't really wanna do anything there. Fuck, bro. Man, that pisses me off. Alright. See you guys. Peace.